Hey, drop.
Cardinal Angelo Becciu, born Giovanni Angelo Becciu on June 2, 1948, in Pateta, Sardinia, has had a long and controversial career within the Catholic Church. From his early years as a priest to his rise within the Vatican hierarchy, Becciu's path has been marked by allegations of financial mismanagement and corruption. This comprehensive biography explores the key events and roles Becciu has held throughout his career. Becciu's journey in the Catholic Church began after he completed his studies in theology and philosophy and was ordained as a priest on August 27, 1972. He furthered his education at the Pontifical Ecclesiastical Academy, earning a doctoral degree in canon law. In 1984, Becciu entered the diplomatic service of the Holy See, serving in various countries including the Central African Republic, Sudan, New Zealand, Liberia, Great Britain, France, and the United States. His language skills in French, English, Spanish, Sardinian, and Portuguese facilitated his work in different regions. In 2001, Becciu was appointed Apostolic Nuncio to Angola and titular Archbishop of Rizeli, and later also served as Apostolic Nuncio to São Tomé and Príncipe. As Nuncio to Angola, he defended Pope Benedict XVI's stance against condom use as a means to prevent the spread of AIDS. Becciu also expressed concern over beliefs in witchcraft leading to the abuse of children in Africa. In 2009, Pope Benedict named Becciu Apostolic Nuncio to Cuba, a position that signified his high reputation within the Vatican. He played a role in improving relations between Cuba and the Holy See and advocated for an end to the U.S. embargo on Cuba, emphasizing the need for a more open economic system. In 2011, Becciu's career took a significant turn when Pope Benedict XVI appointed him to the position of substitute for General Affairs in the Secretariat of State. This role involved daily interactions with the Pope and was considered a vital position within the Roman Curia. Despite lacking previous experience in the Curia, Becciu was known as an effective diplomat. During the conclave following the resignation of Pope Benedict XVI, Becciu had a crucial responsibility in directing the Vatican personnel, ensuring security and secrecy. His role as substitute continued under Pope Francis, and Becciu often spoke on behalf of the Vatican, addressing various public events and controversies. However, Becciu's career took a dramatic turn in 2020 when he was implicated in a financial corruption scandal. In September 2020, he was forced to resign as prefect of the Congregation for the Causes of Saints and renounce his rights as a cardinal. Subsequent investigations led to his indictment in 2021 on charges of embezzlement, abuse of office, and subornation, particularly related to a Vatican investment in London real estate. Throughout the trial that followed, Becciu maintained his innocence, claiming to be the victim of a conspiracy. The trial marked the first criminal trial of a cardinal in a Vatican court. In December 2023, Becciu was found guilty and sentenced to 5 years and 6 months in prison, permanent disqualification for public office, and a fine of €8,000. Becciu's legal battles continued as he appealed the conviction. New evidence emerged suggesting collusion between Vatican prosecutors and the manipulation of witnesses against Becciu. These revelations raised concerns about the fairness of the trial and led to further scrutiny of the Vatican's handling of the case. Despite his renunciation of cardinal privileges, Becciu initially asserted his right to participate in the papal conclave to elect the next pope. However, his participation was ultimately denied by a letter signed by Pope Francis, clarifying that he could not attend the conclave. In a statement, Becciu expressed his respect for the decision and his continued commitment to serve the Church. Cardinal Angelo Becciu's career has been characterized by a mix of diplomatic achievements and allegations of financial misconduct. While his supporters admire his dedication to the Church and his diplomatic skills, his critics believe that the allegations against him demonstrate serious ethical breaches within the Vatican hierarchy. As the legal battles continue, the legacy of Cardinal Becciu remains a subject of debate within the Catholic Church.